Okay, now I will introduce to you the 100-watt handheld we brought today and compare it with our 300-watt one. Let's try the 100-watt first. This is our external control switch. External control connection. The plug can be connected to our external power supply. It can be used for external control our mechanism out of custom. This is our computer connection port, which can be connected to read the some faults of the laser. This is our air inlet. We plug in our and we can connect the air pipe. This is our main power supply. Plug in the socket. Open it here. Let me explain it briefly. Our interface. This is our main interface. This main interface has some parameters. The first one is power. The second one is the pulse and the hertz frequency. The third one is the pulse width. Then here you can select the graph we want to use. Then we need to adjust the parameters. We need to enter this page. Then we can adjust the power of the laser. We set it to 100%. Then we can adjust the frequency of the laser. We set it to 60. This is the pulse width. Then we can adjust the width of the red light. We set it to 100. After we set it, we go back here. Then we click this to start. There is an emergency stop button here. We need to turn it on to emit light. Then press here to turn on the light. Let's test it. Let's take a look. This is the effect of our test. Okay, let's remove the rust first. Let's test the effect. Let's take a closer look. Okay, let's test it again. Let's test the varnish. This is a varnish for wooden floors. Let's see the effect here. Let's switch to the pattern of this varnish. Let's use this circular mode. And then okay, let's set the speed to 0.2. We keep the power unchanged. Now let's test it again. It's over 100 watts. This cleaning has a feature. Is the height? Must be very well controlled. Look at this height when holding it with your hand. There's no reaction, right? This doesn't respond either. Only at this height. At the right height. When you hear this sizzling sound. This wooden floor is made of oak. Generally, only oak is used for varnish, because oak has its own grain. Okay, use a shovel to dig a little. This thicker type. If it's not clean enough, then give it another rinse. Now let's test. Let's test our 300 watt one. Let's turn it on first. Let's first look at the settings of this system. The settings of the system. This is the cleaning interface. This is the settings interface. The password here is 1. Here we set some graphics. Here we set the power and pulse width frequency of the laser. And then we can, to set some of this password is 6. This is to set some system parameters. We don't need to set these for now. Let's return. Let's enter here. Okay, let's select one first. This linear mode. We choose the width of 100. Okay, and then the laser. Set the power to 100%, which is 300 watts. Yes. Then we adjust the hertz to 60 and the pulse width to 500. We have tried before. Press this. Press this OK. Let's remove the rust first. We have tried it before. Our button is continuous. To turn on the light, let me tell you. There are 2 dots here. When the 2 dots are combined, the height is the best position. If the 2 points are separated, the clearing effect will be affected.